Hey guys, welcome back. Today is day of Vlogmas. I don't know what day this is going on. And this is a stocking stuffer slash gift guide for the beauty lover in your life. So we have a few different options of things, and I wanted to talk about them. This is my elf shirt, by the way. I wish I had Jingle Bell jewelry. I don't. Anyway, these are simple gift ideas and not expensive. So I have a few gift ideas for beauty people in your life. So if you guys want to see these ideas and, you know, possibly stay tuned to the end for maybe like a giveaway or something. So just keep watching. First of all, I bought these adorable stockings at Target from the dollar spot. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. I think this was $3, and it's not a traditional full-size stocking, but I think it's honestly perfect, and it is the softest thing I've ever felt in my life, and I want a blanket and furniture and maybe pants made out of this. It is so soft. So we're gonna start with this guy because that's the one I'm caressing. This is the hair product gift bag. If you know someone who loves their hair or loves doing, you know, trying new things with their hair, they just you know, big fans of hair in general, this is a good option. Ultimately, you would know a lot of what the person you're buying for likes. However, I think this would really work for anyone, because if you're a girl, or a boy with long hair, you got to do some stuff to your hair. Hair masks are important. Hair oils can be really helpful, and this is a simple way, I gotta stop touching this, to give a nice, thoughtful gift to help take care of your hair, but it can be customized or generic, however you want it to be. So first of all, a hair mask. There are a billion hair mask options now. In-shower hair masks, out-of-shower hair masks. You can leave the in-shower hair masks on for a lot. There's so many options. One of my absolute favorite masks is not a drugstore mask. There are also a lot of drugstore options now as well. OGX has some. L'Oreal makes some. There are so many drugstore hair mask options, but these are the ones that I chose. One of my absolute favorite masks of all time is the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock. I don't have colored hair. This still works. It makes your hair feel so soft, so fluffy. It smells amazing. So if I were giving this to someone, I would want to include one of my favorite hair masks, because you also want to maybe introduce them to something that they're not familiar with, and I think that's kind of the best part about giving beauty gifts like this, especially if you know the person is a beauty lover. They have their favorites, but they probably want to try some new things too. I think that's kind of fun. Is that selfish? I'm not keeping it for me, I'm giving it to you. Here are my favorites. And then there's another little baby of the Pureology Serious Color Care. That's one thing I've noticed. A lot of masks seem to be for color care, and I'm assuming that just means they're color safe. If you have colored or color treated hair, that it's not going to strip the color from your hair, but you can obviously still use them if you don't have colored hair. But this is the Superfood Hydrate Treatment with avocado oil and coconut oil. So this is going to be ultra hydrating. It's going to make your hair feel so soft and refreshed and clean and like brand new baby soft hair. We have a hair oil. This is from Milani. This is the 25 Miracle Nourishing Oil for all hair types. This has sunflower, jojoba, olive, and coconut oils in it. And a hair oil, even someone with oily hair like myself can benefit from a hair oil. I certainly don't put it near my roots, but I put it in the bottoms of my hair, and it does make a difference. I, for the longest time, shied away from using a hair oil because I thought, no, I don't need any more oil in my hair, and it really does make a difference. So there's a nice hair oil in there, and there are also plenty of price point and options for those as well. If you're wearing your mask for longer than the 3 minutes in the shower, you're probably going to want a shower cap. So we have this adorable unicorn shower cap. I got this at Ulta. I think they also have a panda. And then you can get, you know, boring shower caps anywhere, but this got unicorns on it. And then you're going to need a comb to comb through your hair. And this is a nifty one that you can hang on your shower if you have hair at all. And then if you have hair, you know, longer than your ears, you're going to need some hair ties. Can you ever have too many hair ties? No. The Goody brand is my favorite. And the Ouchless, of course. I don't even know why they still make the kind with the metal. Those are horrible. And then a little something extra to possibly include would be a dry shampoo and a texturizing spray. These are both from Frederic Fekkai. This is from the One line. There's the One More Day dry shampoo and the One and Then Some dry texturizing spray. I've actually used one before, not this one, obviously. And this does add texture. I have very fine hair, and it does add some texture. I'm just really bad about remembering to use it because I'm lazy. So that is the little hair option. The next one, this is also from the Dollar Spot, and it's one of those reversible sequin stockings. This is so satisfying. It's so satisfying. This one was another, I think it was $3, and it's the same size as the gray fray one. I got this, like I said, from the Target Dollar Spot. So cute. This is the skincare bag. Particularly masks. I love a mask. I love a clay mask. I love a peel-off mask. I use sheet masks. They're not my absolute favorite, but I love a mask. And a lot of the masks that I like are drugstore brand. Case in point, Freeman Beauty. They have a ton of options for masks. They have peel-off masks, clay masks, gel masks. They have a mask for every skin type, skin concern. There are so many options. You can find Freeman Beauty pretty much anywhere. I saw them at Five Below the other day. I think it was $4 for a full-size 6-ounce mask. These are 2-ounce sizes, so they are smaller, but you're still getting tons of product in here. This is the Rejuvenating Cucumber and Pink Salt Clay Mask. And then this is the Polishing Charcoal and Black Sugar Gel Mask and Scrub. So if you know someone has oily skin, charcoal is very good for oily skin, but activated charcoal in general is just good for purification. So any skin type can use this, and I love the Freon masks. They're some of my favorite. To start with, you're going to take off all of your makeup. So we have a cleansing balm in here. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. This is one that I've not actually tried, but I know people love this cleansing balm. Because I don't wear a lot of face makeup and I wear mainly eye makeup, I don't like using the balms on my eyes. That is just me and my personal preference. I know you can use them on your eyes, but I just don't. There's no real reason. It just is like a weird thing that I have. And I just use a makeup remover cotton pad and micellar water. But if you know someone who loves makeup and wears more face makeup or just wants to try new skincare products, the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm is a cult favorite. There are a couple options for masks in here. The Yes To line has a lot of sheet masks. They also have mud masks. And then I saw these the other day, and they are sleeping masks, which is basically just a really heavy-duty moisturizer. But this is the Ultra Hydrating for dry skin, and then there's a vitamin C boosting for dull and uneven skin. And I believe there was another option. And I found these at Dollar Tree. So you're going to get a couple uses out of here. And then lastly, there are sheet masks, of course. You can get sheet masks, again, everywhere. Every store that sells skincare sells sheet masks now. Drugstore or high-end. Ulta has a whole area of sheet masks. Tony Moly, BioBell. There's some K-Beauty. There's sheet mask options everywhere. And then I've also seen them at the Dollar Tree. One thing I will say about the Dollar Tree, I personally don't like to buy skincare that I don't know or isn't from a name brand. Like, I would never have purchased these if they weren't the Yes To line, because I know the Yes To line and I know it's a quality brand. This is a smaller size of a mask to be able to be sold at Dollar Tree, but I wouldn't just purchase like a Dollar Tree brand skincare item. That's up to you, but personally I wouldn't do that, and especially not for a gift. The same way there are mask options for every type of skin type for clay, mud, gel masks. The same applies for sheet masks. This one is Nourishing Facial Mask. And then we have one from BioBell, which is avocado and collagen to diminish the appearance of fine lines. There are primer sheet masks. There are options for everyone. I forgot to mention with the mud masks, I like applying my mud masks with a flat foundation brush. I have the e.l.f. one and it works just fine. I also have an IT Cosmetics one that came in a kit that I don't use for foundation, so I use it for applying a mask. So I grabbed one of these to throw in here because you can get very precise with your application. I don't like getting things under my fingernails. It's weird. And then after all of that masking, I wanted to include a hydrator. So this is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto Replenish Hydrator. Obviously this is a sample size, and if you know someone loves a particular type of moisturizer, maybe you want to include that. But I don't know what kind of moisturizer you use, so this is what I had. So that is the skincare option. Obviously I have to talk about my nail lovers. Not nail lovers, nail polish lovers. This is probably the most easy to customize because you're probably going to have a vague idea as to what type of color someone likes. I always think nail care items are the best. I know I talked about this last year as well, but it still holds true. First of all, we have some Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. This is a natural tint, so it's going to give the slightest tint to your nails if you want to just wear a shiny top coat. So if you just want to throw this on your nails while still getting some benefits from wearing a base coat or nail treatment, this helps prevent chipping, splitting, and cracking. And there are two options for this. There's the natural tint and then there's the transparent. I'm putting this in because this is one of my favorite Zoyas. This is the Zoya Pixie Dust. It's a beautiful royal purple with blue and pink shimmers. The pixie dusts are textured, so if you don't know if someone likes textured polish, just include a good top coat. This is the Zoya Glossy Seal. Zoya is, pretty great. So a better theme would be to have the matching base polish and top coat, but I didn't do that. You gotta have some nail files. These are super cute, like mermaid themed nail files. I know everyone loves glass nail files. I personally do not at all like glass nail files, so I don't like to give those as gifts. I don't like them. A fun little lotion. This is actually from Ulta, the Sweet and Shimmer line. This is a line that they bring out around Christmas time, and it's really affordable. They have makeup and nail polish and stuff, but their bath and body stuff is really cute, and it's a quality product and it's really affordable. This is in the flavor Marshmallow Mint. And then some gloves. These are exfoliating gloves designed to cleanse and visibly revive skin, designed for dry skin. I have a pair of gloves that I use for moisturizing, and I know you can get hand masks, much like the sheet masks, but I could not find just gloves for locking in moisture. I have a pair and I don't know where I got them. I couldn't find a pair. So ultimately you want some gloves to just slather on some lotion and lock it in. If someone has really dry hands, this could be very helpful still, but I couldn't find regular gloves. And that is the hand care option. I don't have a cute stocking for that one. I forgot to get. For the makeup junkie, I think makeup is always fun. Makeup is always fun to buy. But in the same vein, brush cleaning is pretty important. So I have a brush cleaning tree. I actually got mine at Walmart. I think it was $6. And if I'm not washing a ton of brushes at once, it's totally fine. I actually found this one on Amazon, and I should have ordered two because this is awesome. And I will have the direct link to this in my description box. I cannot remember the brand, but it's a much larger brush tree, and this is basically what mine looks like, except it's round and, much smaller. So these are silicone. I'm not going to open it because this is a giveaway. So this paper comes off. It's not brown. I guess you could leave it on, but it's just supposed to be a black plastic brush tree. So you can put your larger handled brushes in here, and then there's a lot of options for smaller brushes, and then this little tree comes with it. I thought this was so great, and it came with a brush cleaning mat, which is what I was going to include, and then I saw that it came with one, and I was like, that's great idea. And there are different textured sections on this mat and suction cups on the back, so you can stick this to your sink. And you won't be able to see, but it says wash eyes, refine, plus eyes, rinse eyes. So there's different sections that it's recommending you use for different brushes and their different densities, which I thought was a fantastic idea. And it's pink. There are a lot of different ways to wash your brushes, a lot of different methods. Some people use baby shampoo, some people, you know, there's tons of different things you can use. I really like using a bar of soap. So this is from Kirk's. This is just their coconut oil bar soap. So it's not, oh, it smells good. Oh, I love the smell of bar soap. I don't like to use bar soap on my body, but I love the smell of bar soap. A bar of soap will last a very long time to clean your brushes, and you can also include a little soap caddy if you want. I didn't. For spot cleaning your brushes, if you use, you know, a bright pink eyeshadow and you want to clean your brush right away, the Face Secrets Cosmetic Brush Cleaner, this can be purchased at Sally Beauty Supply. I've compared this to the Cinema Secrets, and in my opinion, this works just as well. It is a fraction of the cost. I think this was $4.50, maybe $6. Is a fraction of the cost of Cinema Secrets, and in my opinion, it works just as well. This works really well. It cleans your brushes. It lasts for quite a while, and it is so affordable. And then maybe you'll remind someone, hey, girl, clean your brushes. They dirty. The last thing is for the indie nail polish lover in your life. There are so many indie nail polish brands. I'm not going to talk about all of them because I literally can't. If they're really into indie nail polish, there are a lot of different options for gift cards. If they are really into nail art, What's Up Nails is a great resource for nail art. They have polish, stamping plates, glitters, stencils. They have so many nail art things, and they ship worldwide, so a gift certificate to What's Up Nails is a great gift idea, because they will ship anywhere. Another place that I really love to buy indie polish is when they do the monthly polish pickup. You can buy a polish pickup gift certificate, and then they can decide if they want to wait for a certain theme or, you know, do whatever they want for that. There's also indie pickup, which has waxes and nail polish, or, you know, indie jewelry, and I think indie makeup. That's also an option for someone who just loves indie brands, which are pretty fun to support. It feels a lot more personal to buy from an indie brand because you know that someone is making this by hand, and that's a lot of work, and it's not just made in a factory. This is their job. I really like supporting indie brands, and my indie polishes are some of my very favorites. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be a link in the description box for the giveaways, and then there is going to be a separate link for the What's Up Nails gift card giveaway, because that one will be worldwide. The rest of these, I'm so sorry, but it's just really concerning to send things worldwide. I'm always terrified something is going to get lost in customs or seized, or I don't know, it just really worries me. So the other giveaways, those do need to go to a US mailing address, but the What's Up Nails giveaway is worldwide, and these are going to have really short turnarounds because I want to be able to mail the products and have the recipient receive them in time for Christmas. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know some of your favorite gift ideas for the beauty lover in your life. If you have any like different ideas, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.